This video I'm going to show you how to use an auto typer on any circumstances. Okay, let's say you're doing a transcription job and they require you to have certain typing speed. Some of you can't type so fast. Okay, but anyway, I'm here to help you and show you exactly how you're gonna use this auto typer for your own benefit. Now just go open Google and then next step, just go search on auto typer. The next step, go look for this link, auto software. Just click on it. Once it opens, you'll need to download this software. So it's like a software. Just download it. I already downloaded the software, and then after you've done with downloading the software, you'll now go install it. Just right click on it and then it will here is the software now. Okay, and then after that let me show you something. Now here is the software, and then what you need is it can work on anywhere. You don't need to let's say you don't need to right click or do anything to active to just to now start on typing. But here's what you need to do. The time delay, you can put it at 1 second, and then or you can put it at less. I don't think so, -1 second, or let's say best time delay, let's say 1 second, and then start or stop hotkey. Hotkey means you can just click on any key that you have already set, and then the typing will the auto typer will do its thing. So let me just follow everything that I'm showing you. So the hotkey I'm going to set F1. Okay, at F1 on my keyboard, and then after that is here's the part I'm going to paste what I need to be typed. Okay, to be auto typed. So let me just copy something, anything else. Let me just copy random words. Okay, now I will choose this word, how to buy proxy. Okay, this is just a title, but for the sake of showing you how to use this auto typer, so how to buy proxies for any website, beginner friendly. That's the words that I need to be auto typed. So once you've done that, just click on donate. Sorry, not to donate. Just click on set. Once it's set, you can see auto software start or stop key has been set. So just click on OK. Then let me just go, let's say, on this assessment form. Right now I need to fill on this page. What you need to do, you don't need to right click or to see where if the function has been added, but what you need to do, so remember you already set the hotkey. Now I'm using F1. Let me just click on F1 and you'll see what will happen. You can see what it does. So remember, if you don't make it stop, it will continue to type. Yeah. So what you need to do once you're done, okay, once it's done writing everything, you just have to click F1 again, and then it won't auto type again. So let me just show you another example. So what I did, I opened these applications, two of them. So I have to delete the one because you see this message, it's another one. So let me just close one and then use the other one. So the one that I'll be using is this one. I deleted the other. I opened two applications, so I'll use this one. Now let me just I've already set everything. Now I'll just have to minimize this one, then open another. Okay, click on another section, then just let's click on F1. So you can see how to buy proxies and all that. So that's how you can do it. And the more auto softwares you can install it on your computer, and it can type everything for you. You can just copy the words that you want to be auto typed, then paste it there. Use a hotkey or something, and then once it's done with writing everything, make sure to stop it. So just click on F1 and everything will stop. Then if there are some other words that were rewritten, just delete it, then continue to the next. Once you have another answer, or you want to copy paste another answer, because remember, copy pasting won't work. It won't work. If I want to copy paste in it doesn't work. So what you need to do is just click on the application tool and then paste your message here or your sentence there, and then you can set a hotkey if it's F1, F2, F12. It depends with the one that you are comfortable with, and then after that you have to just set. Once you click on set, you can go to any the input field, then set the auto typer to now start typing. So that's how you can use auto typer on anywhere. I hope this video was helpful.